Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on June 11th, 2020. Jobless claims in the US continue to drop. The weekly jobless claims report from the Labor Department on Thursday, the timeliest data on the economy's health, is expected to follow news last Friday of a surprise 2.5 million increase in non-farm payrolls in May. However, millions who lost their jobs because of COVID-19 continue to draw unemployment benefits. U.S. labor market could take years to recover from the pandemic, even as business resume hiring workers. New applications for state unemployment benefits likely totaled a seasonally adjusted 1.55 million for the week ended June 6th, down from 1.877 million the prior week. Meanwhile, this figure will be much lower than a record 6.867 million in late March. Moreover, on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve signaled it would provide years of extraordinary support for the economy, referring to estimated 9.3% unemployment rate at year-end. Overall, the unemployment rate has jumped from 3.5% in February to 13.3% in May. Global stocks fall amid U.S. Fed's forecast. Global shares declined on Thursday as a gloomy outlook from the U.S. Federal Reserve eased market optimism over the global economy, forecasting that American economy would shrink 6.5% in 2020 this year. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped 1.4%, and in its 10-session winning streak, Japan's Nikkei slumped 2.1%, marking its largest daily loss in 5 weeks, while Chinese blue chips fell 1%. E-mini futures for the S&P 500 dropped 1.5%, while Eurostoxx 50 and FTSE futures lost 2.2% and 1.7% respectively. Just Eat Takeaway plans to buy Grubhub. European food ordering firm Just Eat Takeaway.com N.V. said on Wednesday it had agreed to buy U.S. peer Grubhub Inc. in a $7.3 billion all-stock deal that, if completed, would create the world's largest food delivery company outside China. For Grubhub, the deal offers an escape from the antitrust concerns that plagued its talks with the Uber Eats division of ride-hailing firm Uber Technologies Inc. Meanwhile, investors met this news with skepticism, sending Just Eat Takeaway shares down 2.5% to 83.26 euros at the start of trade on Thursday. Moreover, the company's stock had closed more than 13% lower at 85.5 euros in Amsterdam on Wednesday. After it's disclosed in the late afternoon it was in talks with Grubhub. Nokia unveils new CFO in broad executive overhaul. Finnish telecoms equipment maker Nokia named a new finance chief on Thursday, completing an overhaul of its top executive team as it battles rivals Ericsson and Huawei for work on lucrative 5G networks. The company said Marco Wirén would join from Finnish engineer Wärtsilä and take over from Christian Palola as chief financial officer from September 1st. Nokia's new chief executive, Pekka Lundmark, who will also take the helm in September, said Wirén has deep financial and leadership experience, a sharp focus on driving operational excellence, and a demonstrated record of success, which will help him to handle the company's finance challenges. Nokia shares dropped 1.8% in early trade on the Helsinki bourse.